Let's discuss Amazon gadgets for Thanksgiving Day. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Electric citrus juicer. This compact and efficient juicer is designed to make your juicing experience as smooth as possible. With auto-reversing juicing cones, it extracts the maximum amount of juice from your favorite citrus fruits, whether it's oranges, lemons, or limes. The adjustable pulp control feature allows you to customize the amount of pulp in your juice, while the removable pulp basket makes it easy to discard or save for recipes. The Clearview container doubles as a pitcher with a drip-free spout and easy-to-read measurement markings, so you can easily pour your juice without mess. Pros: efficient juicing with auto-reversing cones. Adjustable pulp control for custom preferences. Clear container with measurement markings for easy use. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cons: made of plastic, so may not be as durable as metal juicers. 150-watt motor may not be powerful enough for tougher citrus. Next, Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion hand blender. With a 1000W heavy-duty copper motor, this hand blender tackles even the toughest tasks with ease, from blending smoothies to whipping up creamy soups. It features 16 adjustable speeds plus a turbo boost mode for precision control. The stainless steel 4-leaf blades ensure fast, efficient blending, while the 5-in-1 attachments include an 800 milliliters mixing beaker, 600 milliliters chopper, whisk, and milk frother. Whether you're making baby food, sauces, or desserts, this immersion blender has you covered. And when you're done, the detachable parts are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Pros: powerful 1000W copper motor for heavy-duty tasks, 16-speed settings and turbo mode for precise control, versatile 5-in-1 attachments for multiple kitchen tasks, dishwasher-safe detachable parts for easy cleaning. Cons: may be overkill for simple tasks. Handheld operation might be tiring for extended use. Next, stainless steel sausage stuffer is a must-have. This high-quality stuffer features 2 adjustable speeds, making it easy to switch between fast filling and slow casing for perfect results every time. With a generous 3L capacity, you'll reduce refilling, making the process faster and more efficient. The 2-way piston valve ensures smooth venting to avoid any casing breakage, while the 4 different filling tubes allow you to create everything from slim Italian sausages to thick bratwursts. Made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, safe, and easy to clean with removable parts. Pros: 2-speed control for faster or more precise filling, large 3L capacity for fewer refills, comes with 4 different filling tubes for various sausage types, made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. Cons: manual operation may require some strength, large size may take up significant storage space. Next, Alpha Grillers Instant Red Meat Thermometer, your new kitchen essential. This handy thermometer provides ultra-fast readings in just 2-3 seconds with pinpoint accuracy, making it perfect for grilling, baking, or even deep frying. The large digital display with a bright blue backlight ensures you can easily read temperatures even in low light conditions. With its water-resistant design, IP66 rated, cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse it under running water, whether you're cooking meat, monitoring oven or air fryer temperatures, or even making candy. This thermometer has you covered. Pros: fast and accurate readings within 2-3 seconds. Water-resistant and easy to clean. Bright backlit display for easy reading even in the dark. Multi-use for grilling, baking, frying, and more. Cons: requires battery replacement over time. Plastic material may not feel as durable as metal alternatives. Next, Progressive International Tower Fry Cutter. This multi-purpose kitchen gadget allows you to slice potatoes and other veggies into uniform sticks in just one motion, saving you time and effort. Its heavy-duty construction is designed for ease. Simply place your potato on the grate, push down with the lid, and voila, you've got perfectly cut fries. The non-skid base ensures stability during use, while the removable grid and pop-out pusher make cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is hassle-free. Whether you're preparing snacks for the family or hosting a gathering, this fry cutter is a kitchen must-have. Pros: effortless slicing in one motion, non-skid base for added safety and stability, dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, multi-purpose for various veggies and fries. Cons: manual operation may require some strength, limited limited to certain vegetable sizes due to great dimensions. Next, rolling pin and silicone baking pastry mat set. This stylish rolling pin is crafted from 100% food-grade 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and elegance in your kitchen. The adjustable thickness rings allow you to roll out dough to the perfect thickness, whether you're making pizza, pastries, cookies, or pasta, by easily switching between 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8 inches. Paired with a 23.6 x 15.7 inch silicone pastry mat, this set provides ample space for all your baking needs while keeping your work surface clean. The rolling pin's smooth surface makes it easy to maneuver, and when you remove the rings, it transforms into a traditional straight rolling pin. Pros: high-quality stainless steel for durability and style. Adjustable thickness rings for perfect dough consistency. Large silicone pastry mat for ample workspace. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cons: stainless steel may feel cold to the touch initially. Slightly heavier than traditional wooden rolling pins, which may take some getting used to. Next, Ori 20 jar spice rack. The perfect addition to any kitchen. This sleek and stylish revolving tower organizer is not just a visual delight, but also incredibly practical. With 20 glass jars filled with essential spices, including everything from basil to turmeric, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. The compact design and rotating base make it easy to find the spices you need while keeping your countertops organized and clutter-free. Pros: includes a variety of essential spices for immediate use. Compact and stylish design saves space. Rotating base makes accessing spices easy and convenient. 5-year spice refill program ensures fresh spices over time. Cons: limited to the included spices. Customization may be needed for personal preferences. Jars may take up more space than traditional spice containers if not organized properly. Next, Vitamix Slate ABS Plastic Shell Food Recycler, pack of 8. This innovative food cycler FC50 is designed to tackle food waste, reducing it to a fraction of its original volume while eliminating unpleasant odors, perfect for indoor use. Featuring a carbon filter lid, it traps any lingering smells, so you can store your food scraps until the bucket is full without worrying about offensive odors. Its compact design means it fits easily in any space, whether it's under your sink, in the garage, or on your kitchen counter. With just the press of a button, you can run multiple cycles a day and then simply toss the removable waste bucket into the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. Pros: reduces food waste to a fraction of its original volume. Odor-free design thanks to the carbon filter lid. Compact and convenient for indoor use. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: requires a power outlet, limiting placement options. Initial investment may be higher than traditional composting methods. Next, Instacan, higher torque electric jar opener. This powerful one-touch device is designed to make opening jars a breeze, especially for those with arthritic hands or weak grips. With its high torque power and adjustable jaws, this electric opener can handle lids ranging from 1.2 to 3.5 inches, effortlessly removing even the most tightly sealed jars. Just press the button and watch as it automatically rotates to tackle the lid, shutting off on its own once the job is done. No more wrist pain or frustration. This compact and user-friendly gadget is perfect for seniors or anyone who struggles with traditional jar openers, making it an ideal gift for loved ones on occasions like birthdays or holidays. Pros: high torque power effectively opens almost any jar lid. Easy to use with one-touch operation. Ideal for individuals with hand pain or limited strength. Compact design makes for easy storage. Cons: may not work on plastic or irregularly shaped jars. Requires battery power, which may need replacing over time. Next, Zyliss Restaurant Cheese Grater, the ultimate handheld rotary grater that makes shredding cheese, vegetables, and nuts effortless. Designed for both right and left-handed cooks, this compact kitchen tool requires minimal pressure to operate, allowing you to grate hard cheeses and chocolate with ease. Its non-slip knob ensures stability while grating, and it folds down for convenient storage, making it perfect for any kitchen size. Pros: requires minimal pressure, making it easy to use. Versatile for grating cheese, chocolate, and nuts. Compact design for easy storage. Non-slip knob for stability and comfort during use. NSF certified for safety and public health standards. Cons: handheld design may not be suitable for larger quantities. Plastic construction may not be as durable as metal alternatives. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments comment about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.